Hello everyone, welcome to Krishna's online lectures. In this video of engineering mechanics, I am going to discuss about couple. So let's start the lesson. So if we talk about the general meaning of couple, so it generally represents two. So if two persons are involved, that represent couple. So we will apply the same concept here. If two forces are involved, so that represent couple. If any particular body which is subjected to two forces, but these forces should be parallel forces and equal in magnitude but opposite in direction, and those forces should be separated by a finite distance, so it generally form a couple. If any particular body which is subjected to two forces, here you can see this diagram, here we are considering two forces which is having equal magnitude, p forces. P is the magnitude of force, and here this arrow is representing the direction of forces. So one force is applicable in this direction and other force is applicable in this direction, and this particular force, here two forces are separated by a finite distance. This distance is representing, here this L is representing the finite distance between two forces. So these two forces are forming a couple. So where two forces are involved and it is generally changing the position of the body, or if this particular force is helping to accelerate or decelerate, so this combination of forces or two forces are generally form a couple, or it will act as a couple on that body, but forces should be equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. This condition should be there to form a couple. Now if we are considering the forces are rotating about a particular point, so if that force is rotating or turning about a particular point, so it will form moment, or it will represent moment. So rotational effect of couple, here two forces are involved and both the forces are rotating about a particular point. So let us consider one point O. So this P is rotating about this particular point O in this direction, and this P is rotating about point O in this direction. So here this rotational effect of both the forces are representing the moment, and here the moment, this particular moment, because it is formed by two forces, so this particular moment represent the moment of couple. And moment of couple we generally define, if we are representing M as the moment of couple, let's define this M as moment of couple. So here this moment of couple we will define as the moment only force into perpendicular distance, and that perpendicular distance should be distance between these two forces. So here we can take either one, this particular force, so either of one force multiplied by perpendicular distance between these two forces, it should be representing as the moment of couple. Here I have written here F, so in place of F here we are considering P, so this M should be P into L. So this P into L is representing the moment of couple, and this distance between these two forces which are represented as perpendicular distance between these two forces, so this perpendicular distance represented as arm of couple, arm of moment or arm of couple. This L is representing arm of couple. So this is the basic description of couple. If we talk about example of couple, so in general or in our daily life we can see the example of couple. So first we can take here opening and closing of water tap, so that is also representing the example of couple. While locking or unlocking the lock with the help of key, so this particular term is also representing the couple. Here two forces are involved to lock and unlock the lock with the help of key, both the forces, here two forces are involved and both the forces are applicable in opposite direction. This is one of the example of couple. Now let's see some properties of couple which we are going to apply when we solve the numerical. So first property is, I have written here, algebraic sum of moment of two forces about a point in a plane forming a couple is constant and it is equals to moment of couple. So as I told you, two forces are involved, equal in magnitude but opposite in direction, and if we are considering the turning tendency of the forces, so it will form moment of couple. So algebraic sum of moment of two forces, if we define the algebraic sum of moment of two forces, these two forces, here you can see the diagram. So if we are considering this force P which is rotating about point O, and this force P which is in opposite direction also rotating about point O, and there is a distance between these two forces. Here we are considering distance between these two forces. Let us consider L, and here I am going to write down the point where this particular force is applicable, A and B. So algebraic sum of moment of two forces about a point in a plane which is forming a couple, it should be constant and it should be equivalent to moment of couple. So here moment about point O for both the forces. For both forces, the moment about point O, it should be equivalent to moment of couple. How? Here I am going to write. So here let us consider the moment about point O. Here we have two forces. One force is rotating in this direction about point O, and one force is rotating in this direction about point O. And distance between these two forces is L. So if we define the moment for each force about point O or resultant moment, so resultant moment we generally define as the algebraic sum. So for this particular force, the moment will be P into AO. This about this particular point we are going to take the moment. So this complete distance we will take perpendicular distance. So P into AO. And for this particular force P, which is acting in downward direction or in opposite direction, the moment will be P into perpendicular distance BO, this distance. So here moment about point O will be P into AO minus P into BO. If we simplify this, so it will be P into AO minus BO, and this AO minus BO will represent this particular distance AB, which is represented as L. So P into AB, that is equals to P into L. So this P into L is representing the moment of this particular couple. So here we can see moment about point O, it will be equivalent to moment of couple. So this is first property. Now let's see another property, that is two coplanar couple whose moments are equal and opposite, they balance each other. So here we are considering two couple which is formed by four forces. One couple which is acting in clockwise direction and another couple which is acting in anti-clockwise direction. So direction of both the couples are opposite, but here these two forces or these two couples should be coplanar couple, means all the forces should act in a single plane or in a common plane, and all the forces should be rotating about one particular point, and that point we are considering as O. So here these two forces which are separated by distance L are forming a couple in clockwise direction, and these two forces which are rotating about point O, same point in a same plane, which is forming a couple, and it is forming this couple in opposite direction or in anti-clockwise direction. So if we define the moment of couple for both conditions, so for this particular condition, moment of couple, if we are considering clockwise direction as positive, so it will be M equals to P into L, and this particular force P in opposite direction, here this is in vertical upward and this is in vertically downward, and this is forming a couple which is represented as minus P into L because of opposite direction. So these two couples are equal in magnitude, P into L and P into L, but this minus sign is representing opposite direction. So both the couples will balance each other. So it will nullify the effect of both the couples, or it will nullify the effect of all the rotational effects of forces about a particular point. Now third property is two couples are equal if their moments are equal. So here we are considering two different conditions which is forming a couple. So here we are considering two forces. Here one force is acting vertically upward and another force is acting vertically downward, and distance between these two forces is L. magnitude of forces are equal but direction is opposite. And if we define the moment of couple which is formed by these two forces, so couple we will consider in this particular direction according to rotation of forces. So moment of couple is P into L for this particular condition. Now similarly, if we consider another condition that is represented by this diagram. So here magnitude of forces are changed as well as distance between these two forces are changed. So here one force we are considering as P by 2 which is acting in vertically upward direction, and another force it is P by 2 same magnitude but it is acting in opposite direction, vertically downward direction. And these two forces are rotating about a particular point. So it is also forming a couple in the same direction like this in clockwise direction. But the distance between these two forces is 2 into L. So if we define the moment for this particular condition, so it should be force into perpendicular distance between these two forces. Either we can take this or we can take this. So moment will be equal to P by 2 into 2L. So it is representing P into L. So here moment of couple is equal. So two couples are equal if their moments are equal. So in that case we can say the couple or the moment of couple for these two condition is equal. So these two couples should be equivalent. So these are some properties which is related to couple. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can rate, review and share this lesson with your friends and your known people. And if you want to watch more lessons related to mechanical engineering, please subscribe the channel.